Hi, I'm Jake. I'm with Evans Midwest. Today we're going to be looking at the AP508-C Clamshell Aviation Press. So this machine allows you to bond a decorative material to a curved component utilizing a heat-activated adhesive through a vacuum forming process. Typically used in the aviation industry, but has applications in other industries as well. All right, we're going to go over a few of the features of this AP508-C Aviation Press. So on the front, we have these quick release clamps, which aid in quickly being able to release the upper chamber. So here we have an easy one-hand operation for raising up the upper chamber so you can get your pieces in. We have springs in the back of the machine, which aid in that process of getting the lid up and down. So here we have our digital vacuum gauge, which feeds the signal back to our PLC for controlling the automatic cycle of the machine. Over here is our operator interface, which has our HMI and a few buttons for controlling the cycle of operation. We're able to store up to 20 different recipes depending on how many different parts you need to run through the machine. We have a stack light here with an alarm for showing you the different modes of operation while it's in cycle. Over here on this side of the machine, we have an additional air blow-off nozzle for being able to break the seal on the machine when you're lifting up the lid, as well as blow off any additional dust or debris. Then on this side, we have these louver vents, which aid in removing the heat from the upper chamber when the cycle is done. We have fans on the other side of the upper chamber, which push cool air through to cool down that upper chamber. Here we have our digital temperature gauge, which helps monitor the temperature of the upper chamber during the cycle of the machine. We're able to monitor the temperature and control it. Here we have the Busch vacuum pump for controlling the vacuum cycle of the machine. We have a 2 horsepower pump, which allows for quick cycle times on the machine. We also have some additional valving for being able to control the different stages throughout the machine's cycle, so we can draw all the way down to a full vacuum. All right, in this configuration, we're going to be looking at the double membrane feature of our Evans Midwest Aviation Press. What this allows you to do is to form a lower profile, lightweight panel in here without having to use a mold. So we can throw an aircraft side panel. You know, when you're looking out the window of an aircraft, that panel right there, you can just toss those in here to form your fabric to those pieces. All right, again, my name is Jake. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more information on this machine, call us and we'll get you the information you're looking for.